guys, today I'm going to be talking about my skincare. I added a few more products into like my skincare routine because I'm trying to go more natural. I'm trying to incorporate more natural products, so I've been trying out new things and I want to show you guys what I've been trying. I keep looking over there because my products are over here. So before, like a while ago, probably like a couple years ago, I did do a review on, I think it was the Shea Moisture, the Black African soap, and I really liked it. I liked how my skin felt, and like it helped with my acne because I had really bad acne at that time. So I am trying another brand. This is the soap I'm using now. I know it's a huge bottle because I did get a sample and I liked how my skin was looking, so I decided to get the full body. You can use this on your hair, you can use this on your skin as in like your body, your face, like everything. You can use it for shaving. It's just a really good all-around cleanser. I haven't opened this one yet because I still am using my sample one. I think I showed it in the clips before, like me washing my face and showing you guys me using the products. I like this, and also it like gives back when you purchase this product, which I think is really cool, which I didn't know before I bought it, but I still feel like that's really cool. This is authentic African black soap. It's helping my skin a lot. I feel like it looks really good. I wanted to wait out because I was breaking out a little bit, but I've been stressing a lot, so that's probably why I broke out like here. I always break out on the side of my face, but I think it's because of my hair. And I try not to use any products with like coconut oil because coconut oil makes me break out, so I try to avoid that. But with this soap, it doesn't lather up or anything like that, so that's the only downfall about it, because I feel like when soap lathers, I feel like it is clean. I don't know, like I feel like it's actually cleaning, but this one doesn't really lather like that, but it still is cleaning your face. And I got the one that has the peppermint because I love the feel of peppermint. And then I'm also using a eye cream, or it's like an eye serum, because I had dark circles like all my freaking life, I feel like, and I always have like these lines, but I really want to work on it because I want to look like a freaking Snapchat filter all the freaking time. So I have been using this Acure, I think it's what it's called, Acure. I hope you guys can see that. It's probably like so freaking bright, you guys probably can't see it. I don't know if you saw it in the other clips, but that's what it looks like. So this is supposed to brighten eye contour gel. It's brightening eye contour gel, so it's a gel. I guess it's not a serum. I don't know if it is considered a serum, but this one has seaweed, hibiscus extract, and it's for all skin types. So I've been using it under my eyes just to get rid of the dark circles. This is my skin without makeup, by the way, so you guys are seeing all my impurities and all that. I'm always gonna have like dark marks, which are my freckles, but other than that, I try to make my skin look super even and all that jazz. I do get, so it's dark under my eyes because this is where I usually put my concealer, so it's dark under my eyes and then dark on my lip. I have to use like I either get my lip threaded or I get like that face removal cream from, I can't even think of the name of the remover cream, to get rid of my mustache, because I do have a little bit of mustache, but I feel like everybody has a little peach fuzz. So but when I have a lot, you can really see like the dark whatever. I don't know how to get rid of it. I think it's just gonna be there, but I'm trying to get at least my under eye circles under control, but I know it could be hereditary, so I'm just testing it out, just seeing. But so far so good. Like, why not? It's not gonna hurt me to try, you know, a new product. And then the last product that I'm using that is natural is this Witch Hazel aloe vera formula, and it's rose petal. This is the toner I use. It just gets everything off of my face, like anything that I left behind when I cleanse my face. One of the girls at work told me to use this because it was another time I was breaking out, because sometimes I like break out really bad. It could be because of the time of the month, it could be because I stress a lot, which I need to learn to just relax. But yeah, this helps a lot. It's like dripping, what the heck. That's why it's all ripply. It's not ripply because of that, but the paper got wet and it's like really wrinkled or whatever, but I really like it. I've used a lot, as you guys can see. but it's really nice. It feels refreshing when I'm done cleansing my face. I do use that, but I haven't found an all natural moisturizer yet, and I haven't found like an all natural exfoliant. I do use that I think it's Indian clay mask. I love it a lot. I can only wear it for so long because my skin is so sensitive. Like I can feel it, like it like vibrates, but it hurts a lot on my skin, so I can only leave it on for like 3 minutes barely. So I like that as well, but I'm still like trying to incorporate more natural products. If you guys have any suggestions on natural products, leave it in the comment section below. Because we're trying to get our skin looking fleeky, because I am getting older, so I'm trying to take care of my skin as much as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.